loving yourself in a way where you are able to cherish every single part of you. आपका वो पार्ट भी जो नर्चरिंग है, केयरिंग है, गिविंग है. एट द सेम टाइम यू ऑल्सो नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ व्हेन यू फील अनसेफ, व्हेन यू फील ट्रिगर्ड, सो दैट देयर इज़ अ बैलेंस जहाँ पे बाउंड्रीज़ के लिए आपको अपने कनेक्शंस सैक्रिफाइस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज are something that are required, but they come naturally when you truly know who you are and when you act from a space of true self-love, जहाँ पे you are not separate from people but yet you know you are an individual and they are too, where you can keep a distance and at the same time be of support. Well, क्या ये दोनों contrasting चीज़ें साथ में possible हैं? Of course possible है. That is what I have really tried to do for myself and it gives me great joy because now I can have my boundaries but also have connections at the same time. How can you do that for yourself? What does it really mean to love yourself? My new video, Loving Yourself into Freedom, is all about this. And I really hope after watching this video, you will realize what self-love actually is, how much protected and guided you already are, and how can you enter into the magical life that is waiting for you in every single day. It's not something जिसके लिए आपको manifestation या कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है. It's something that already is. How can you access it? This video will truly guide you to all of that. And above all, it will help you in becoming whole. जहाँ पे आप अपने एक part को ख़त्म नहीं कर रहे हो in order to bring up the other. Because कई बार we start fighting ourselves जहाँ पे हमारा एक sensitive part है who wants to be loved, who wants connection, but then there is a part who is trying to protect it because it has felt hurt and it does not want to feel it again. And when both of these come together through things that I have shared, you realize what it actually all was about, what the situations truly were. Do you really need boundaries as such? And what does it truly mean to love yourself by truly being yourself in wholeness and in freedom? I really hope this video guides you to that. Do give it a watch. See you in the video.